question. See this question once. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? A quiz competition was held at St. Anne's School, Sultanabad. His Jack from 7th class participated in the competition. There are 5 successful rounds in this quiz. 2 marks for incorrect answer and it has positive marks for correct answers. Okay. Jack scored 25. Okay. Now, in second round, Jack scored how much? -5. Third round, Jack scored how much? See once again in one question. Third round, Jack scored -10. In fourth round, Jack scored 15. And last round, Jack scored, means that is fifth round. In fifth round, Jack scored 10. Okay. So now we want what was his total at the end. What you will do now? Take all scores and you do addition. Then you will get his total score. Okay, let us start addition. First take 25 plus -5. Two symbols came. So keep bracket plus -10 there are also two symbols, so keep bracket plus next number 15 plus 10. Okay. Okay, now 25 plus bracket means into plus into minus 25 minus 5. 25 minus 5 plus into minus 10. Do you understand? Plus into minus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. Now first you take these two numbers. 25 minus 5. How much? 20. Okay. 25 minus 5. These two numbers you take and do subtraction. 20 we got. Next, -10. Plus 15 again plus 10. Okay, up to here. 20 minus 10. Take these two numbers. Two numbers you take. 20 minus 10. How much? 10. Again, what is the remaining? Plus 15. Plus 15. Again, plus 10. Okay, plus 15. How much? 25. What is the remaining? Plus 10. Plus 10. Now last two numbers. 25 plus 10. How much? 35. Equal to 35. So Jock total score is 35. He got 35 marks. He scored 35 marks. Do you want once again? Check once. 25 plus bracket means into, plus into minus, minus 5 plus into minus, minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. Here first you take these two numbers. Okay, 25 minus 5. How much? 20. So remaining write as it is. Minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now here also take first two numbers. 20 minus 10. 10, right? Remaining numbers as it is. Plus 15 plus 10. Again take first two numbers. 10 plus 15. 25. Remaining plus 10 is equal to, the total score is 35. First question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Okay, now you take first temperature on Monday at Srinagar. What is the temperature on Monday? Minus 5 degree Celsius. Now temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar. So what they have given? Tuesday it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Dropped means you take minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar. Okay. First, Monday minus 5 degrees Celsius plus Tuesday minus 2 degrees Celsius. Keep bracket is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius plus into minus, minus 2 degrees Celsius. 2 minus values only. 2 minus means 2 same symbols came as 2 addition. 5 plus 2, 7. Same symbol you should keep in answer. Minus 7 degrees Celsius. When? On Tuesday. And next question they asked, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Wednesday. At Srinagar. Means it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. It means rose means increased. So plus 4 degrees Celsius. You keep plus 4 degree Celsius. Dropped means minus, decreased, temperature decreased. So minus 2 degrees Celsius. Rose means raised. So positive symbol. Increased means plus 4 degrees Celsius. Now temperature on Wednesday at Srinagar is equal to, it rose 4 degrees Celsius. Means that is plus 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday at Srinagar. Tuesday how much? Minus 7 degrees Celsius. Minus 7 degrees Celsius. Plus Wednesday how much? Plus 4 degrees Celsius. That is equal to, see, 1 minus 1 plus. Do subtraction. 7 minus 4. 3 degrees 3. In these two numbers, which one is big one? 7. 7 before minus symbol is there. That's why answer also should keep minus symbol. So minus 3 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, at Srinagar, the temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius.